Hi everyone, welcome to my channel All Pivots Guru. So yesterday we have discussed about the types of buyers and sellers, right? So what are the types of buyers and sellers in the market? They are responsive buyers and responsive sellers, and initiative buyers and initiative sellers. So let's start today analyzing the chart based on the buyers and sellers. Okay. See, I'm just started the marking here around. Uh, See, this is February, November 2017 to almost it is in March 2019. I just marked this level. You can see this the level 23-24,000 to and almost 28,000. The price traded between July 17 to October 8, 2018. Okay, this is what we can consider as a responsive buyers and responsive sellers zone. Means they are happy to trade between these zone. Whatever the price is moving high and low, it is entirely zone. It is called as a responsive buyers and sellers zone. Okay, once price goes beyond this 28,000, so that is nothing but initiative participant center. That is initiative buyer centers in the market after 7th March or 19. The price move to new high and touches 32,000 range. Okay, so once new high made by initiative buyers, the responsive sellers take care of the price. I told yesterday, once prices go high, supply will start increasing because they will think that the price is too high. So now we can start selling or start booking the profit. So responsive participants take care once it makes new high. So responsive participants started selling from the zone of 33,000, 32,000, and price and which level they will push? They push price back to the an average level. It is like in 26 or 27,000. So responsive buyers move back to the average level. We know that responsive buyers will only move price from below average level to upper average level and higher level to near average level. High value to again low value, nothing but average level. So only these nothing but and the responsive buyers and sellers will take care. So once the price goes beyond the average, above the average value or below the average value, initiative participants will take care. So let's start where initiative participant entered in this June after 2019 September or October, sorry, not February 2020. All we know that pandemic corona entered. So during that zone, what happened? The price aggressively coming from new high to 33,000 to almost to 26,000 very rapidly, and once it broken the zone of 26,000, see the price sharp falling started. So what we is considered, these are once touching this average value, mean value, the sharply started falling. This is nothing but an initiative selling zone. So initiative participants entered here, they are started selling like anything. They dumping the outstanding quantity like anything and pushed price to a new low. So here the price touches to 3 new low. I think it is in 16,791 or something, 17,000 round. Bank Nifty touches the new low. So once it makes new low, what happens? Responsive buyers will think that the price is too low. Okay, because see earlier before coming to the new low, where was the price? Price is trading around 32,000, 33,000. So responsive buyers will think that so this is too low. Definitely you can enter in the market and you can accumulate the stocks and you can move to an average level or mean value level. That is same around 25,000 level. See, from almost see here from May 20 sorry, not May, March to May, June, whatever, around 2 to 3 months, the price traded between 17,000 to 22,500. This is an responsive buyers and again here the initiative sellers and responsive buyers. Responsive buyers moving price to average level of 20 to 23,000 level, and initiative buyers pushing price back to the same level, right? So here they taken care of buying and selling zone. So responsive buyers and initiative sellers zone for almost 2 months. So once the price touches the above average value, near the average value, then responsive buyers started coming. See again responsive, sorry, initiative buyers moved little bit to higher, it is 25,000. Again responsive sellers started taking care of this price and again coming price back to the 22,000. See before moving to higher level, what initiative people think that they will touch new low to check the depth of sellers. So see it was the 22,000 level but price made 20,500. Why? They will check the previous low, not previous low. They will check the strength of the sellers. Is there any outstanding sellers available in this zone? They will check that is called as an outside breakout, outside price change checking. So there is no further selling. So then what happens? The initiative buyers taken care of it and started moving to higher level. See previous low where it was trading 25,000, right? So same here, almost 1 week price traded and started moving, holded in this zone 25,000 almost 1 week. After that breakout, that is called initiative participant entered in the market and started aggressively moving price to 33,000 range. This is what we call in breakout. Breakout is nothing but this is by initiative buyers. They taken care from the responsive sellers and they started price moving to higher level and touched the intermediate high of 33,000 range, almost here 33,000 range. Later profit booking, again they pushed price back to the 38,000 range. So once they made a intermediate high 33,000, then responsive sellers enters in the market and started pushing price back to the average level. Average level nothing but around 30,000. Why they will enter? Because they know this is the price too high. Definitely now we can make huge profit. So they enter in the market and started booking, or new fresh selling will come once price touch new high. These people will hand over to the responsive sellers and these people will book the profit and will go sides. So responsive sellers take care of then further action and they will move price just back to the previous average level, not beyond that. See price came just in 30,000 range. After what happened? Again 30,000 range price moving back to same 38,000. Again they placed resistance because responsive sellers were there. They are again booking, started selling in this zone, but initiative participants buyers enters in this market and they pushed price back to new high, that is that 42,000, and hand over to again responsive sellers. So responsive sellers entered in the market at the around 42,000 and price coming back to the same zone 38,000 and it was again touching to $34,000. So recently we are back by taking support around 34,000. So this is what we mark the important levels based on the types of buyers and sellers. See, I have important mark what we call as the same support and resistance, right? The same way we can consider based upon the participants, the types of buyers, sellers are entered in the market, how price is moving in the particular zone. It is all nothing but in different types of buyers and sellers. So just time marked here to understanding purpose. So in next episode we will discuss exactly support, resistance. So how support will retest, how resistance will retest, and how they will cross verify the any further sellers are there or further buyers are still there, how they will check it and they will start moving price back to the same level if they are the responsive buyers, or to new high or new low if they are initiative participants. So this is what I am going to clarify your the doubt, the responsive buyers, responsive sellers, initiative buyers, initiative sellers, and what zone, who are taking care of it. Once the zone is breaking, who is moving price to which level. So these are just we need to practice it. Okay, it is not in one day you can understand all those things, but nowadays everybody knows everything but still they are failing because they don't have that much of conviction about the price. So everybody knows that price action, everybody tell price action, support, resistance, all, but if you know the concept, once the zone is breaking then you have to take the action, otherwise there is no use of learning all these things without any proper action. Okay, so in coming days we will start live trading in intraday. Intraday also you can find out what kind of participants are entered in intraday trading purpose. So that is also we can do, and we can trade based upon the same concept. Whatever we are studying now, the different types of buyers and sellers, that is also happens in the intraday. Yes, intraday also this concept will happen. That is based upon previous day high, low, previous day swings high, previous swing high, low. Different are there, but we majorly focus on the pivot levels. So we will study floor pivots, central pivots, and cameral pivots. All pivots have different values, different trading methods. But one thing I will clear all the pivots doubts. See, there are so many 3 to 4 types of sets of peoples or traders are there in the market. As we study responsive sellers, responsive buyers, initiative sellers, initiative buyers, na, the same way these people will use different pivots. Some people like responsive buyers, responsive sellers use maybe floor pivots. Initiative buyers and initiative sellers use cameral pivots. So all pivots works properly depends upon the types of buyers and sellers. So the some group of people use floor pivots, some group of people use central pivots CPR, and some group of people use cameral pivots. So all pivots works. That's what I am going to give knowledge based upon the pivots. That is why I kept all pivots group. So all pivots works in the market. It is not like that only standard pivot works, only cameral works, only central pivot works. No, it is not like that. You check. I will class verify all your doubts. Someday it respect to the central pivots, and someday it respect to cameral pivots. Why? Because that day the market taken care by the different types of participants, like we discussed responsive and initiative participants. Okay, so hope you understand little about chart analysis based upon the participants. I marked here, you can see this is initiative selling zone, aggressively price dropping to new low. The same way here, the responsive buyers, after responsive buyers price within 2-3 days it touched to new high from 38,000 to 42, almost 4,000 points rallied because of initiative participant. So remember, always price moves high and low, new high or new low, whatever, that is because of only the initiative participant. Price will be more aggressive because of initiative participants. But responsive participants are only, they will take care of the market to hold the levels, means within the average level, within the prior trading zone. Okay, this is keep in mind and start following the support resistance by keeping the mind that what type of buyers, sellers or participants are there in the market. Okay, thank you for watching the